2019 Hyundai Elantra clock spring replacement and the multifunctional switch replacement. As you see, we took off the steering wheel, took off these two cover. There is 3 screws, 2 on the front, 1 on the back. You need to use the Phillips screwdriver, and when you took it off, then use the socket number right there, number 21, and use the impact. Take the center bolt off, just right there, and then take the steering off. Make sure you disconnect that connector, the white one, and make sure you disconnect that airbag right here. There is 2 of them, different colors. There is 2 tabs, and push it back. Make sure you disconnect the battery, and in order to take that airbag off, before you're doing that, there is a small hole right there. As you see right there, my finger is, push your flat screwdriver, 1, that's the second one, and that's the third one, 3 of it. When you push that, the airbag is gonna pop up. When the airbag pops up, that center bolt that's coming off with 21, socket number 21, and the most important thing is that clock spring. The clock spring goes like that in order to replace that multifunctional switch. So the clock spring, there is 3 tabs like there. You have to disconnect these two connectors, the white and the yellow one. So this goes back there, and these are the connector for that airbag, the steering airbag that I explained to you. This orange tabs needs to pull up, and you can disconnect these wires. But there is 3 like kind of pins, just like 1 here and 1 here and 1 on the other side. Push them up and pull it out carefully. If it's turned, then you need to put the new one. You have to put the wiring tape, which I did right there, in order to lock it up. Other than that, if it turn around, then it's gonna be cause the airbag light on. And we're gonna replace that one because this part was broken. But in order to replace that one, you're gonna take the clock spring off. When you see, this is the broken one, so you're gonna need to take the clock spring off. So basically, replacing that one, it's gonna be the guideline for replacing the clock spring as well. All right, this is the quick summary for how to replace the clock spring and multifunctional switch on 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Thank you guys for watching.